Imagine a world where there are no borders, no limitations, and no restrictions. A world where people are free to travel anywhere their hearts desire. Welcome to a vision of a borderless planet. In this world, cultural exchange flourishes as people from all walks of life come together, embracing diversity and celebrating the richness of human experiences. Picture bustling marketplaces filled with vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the joyful chatter of locals and travelers alike. Here, families can embark on incredible adventures, exploring vibrant markets that showcase the diverse traditions and cuisines of different regions. Imagine parents and children strolling through bustling stalls, their senses overwhelmed by the sights, sounds, and smells of an international cornucopia. As they sample delicacies from far-off lands, they engage in conversations with locals, sharing stories and immersing themselves in the local culture. Children's eyes widen with wonder as they discover new flavors, while parents soak in the vibrant atmosphere, cherishing these precious moments of connection. Nature becomes a shared heritage, with no boundaries to separate breathtaking landscapes. Imagine standing atop a majestic mountain peak, feeling the crisp air on your face as you gaze at the vast expanse of untouched beauty. In a world without borders, families and friends can venture into awe-inspiring natural wonders. They embark on hikes through dense forests, where sunlight filters through towering trees, and wildlife thrives in harmony. They dip their toes in pristine lakes, their laughter echoing through tranquil valleys. They find solace in nature's embrace, their souls rejuvenated by the serenity and grandeur of untamed landscapes. With each step, they forge a deeper connection with the earth, understanding the importance of preserving these wonders for future generations. Education knows no borders. Students have the opportunity to learn from the best institutions worldwide, gaining global perspectives and fostering cross-cultural understanding. Envision classrooms filled with students from different backgrounds, exchanging ideas and expanding their horizons. In this borderless world, knowledge transcends geographical constraints. Students from around the globe gather in classrooms that reflect the diversity of humanity. They engage in passionate debates, sharing unique perspectives and enriching their understanding of the world. With access to renowned educational institutions and experts across disciplines, they are empowered to pursue their passions and contribute to a collective pool of wisdom. Boundaries become a mere illusion as students collaborate on groundbreaking research, transcending cultural barriers to shape a brighter future. Innovation thrives as brilliant minds unite. Scientists, inventors, and researchers from every corner of the world collaborate, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and creating breakthrough solutions. Imagine cutting-edge laboratories buzzing with activity, where ideas flow freely, unrestricted by geographical boundaries. In this borderless realm of scientific exploration, barriers to collaboration vanish. Scientists harness the power of collective intellect, pooling their expertise to tackle complex challenges. They occupy laboratories that transcend geographic limitations, seamlessly sharing discoveries and advancing human understanding. These collaborative efforts lead to transformative inventions, medical breakthroughs, and sustainable solutions that shape the world we inhabit. Together, they strive to create a better future, where progress knows no borders. But with no countries, how do we ensure peace and harmony? In this borderless world, diplomacy takes on a new form. Imagine global councils, where representatives from all regions come together to discuss and address global issues. In the absence of traditional nations, diplomatic forums become the cornerstone of international relations. Leaders gather to foster understanding, resolve conflicts, and forge alliances. These assemblies become the embodiment of unity, transcending political divisions for the betterment of all. Through dialogue and mutual respect, they navigate the complexities of a shared planet, seeking solutions that promote peace, justice, and sustainability. Bound by a common purpose, they shape policies that transcend individual interests, ensuring a harmonious coexistence. A world without borders ignites the human spirit, fostering a sense of global citizenship. It calls upon each one of us to embrace our shared humanity, to celebrate our differences, and to cherish the interconnectedness of all life on this remarkable planet. As we envision this borderless world, we realize that the true power lies within us, in our capacity to transcend divisions and nurture compassion. It is a world where unity triumphs over separation, where curiosity bridges gaps, and where the human spirit soars. So, let us dare to dream of a world where borders dissolve, and the unifying essence of humanity prevails. Together, we can strive for a future where the possibilities are limitless and the bonds we forge are unbreakable. Join us in imagining a borderless world, where we travel freely, connect deeply, and create a shared legacy of peace, understanding, and harmony. Together, we can turn this vision into a reality. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to join the movement towards a borderless world of limitless possibilities.